Mass-loaded vinyl. The thin, heavy sheet that quiets a space. So what exactly is it? Mass-loaded vinyl is a flexible sheet of PVC, loaded with heavy mineral particles like barium sulfate. The minerals are what give it weight, a full pound per square foot, packed into something just 1/8 of an inch thick. Here's how it actually works. On one side of a wall, sound is loud. The waves slam against the wall and try to vibrate it through. But the dense MLV layer is too heavy to vibrate easily. Most of that energy gets absorbed by the mass, and only a fraction makes it to the other side. 3 properties make MLV uniquely effective. First, density. It packs a pound of mass into every square foot. Second, flexibility. It bends around pipes, beams, and corners. And third, fire safety. It meets Class A ratings, so it sits safely behind your walls. The performance is striking. A single layer of MLV can cut transmitted noise by up to 27 decibels. That's the difference between a clearly audible conversation and a faint, distant murmur. MLV transforms a remarkable range of spaces. In home theaters, it keeps space and dialogue from leaking through walls. In apartments, it blocks footsteps and voices from neighbors above and beside you. In recording studios, it creates the silence needed for clean tracks. And in offices, it gives you the focus that open floor plans took away. Installing MLV is straightforward. It's hung between layers of drywall, taped at the seams to seal any gaps, and screwed in sparingly so the layer stays continuous. Done right, the difference is immediate. The room feels calmer the moment the work is finished. Heavy. Thin. Quietly transformative. Mass-loaded vinyl turns noisy spaces into calm ones, without rebuilding the walls around you.